Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our channel, upSkool. Today, I brought very interesting topic for you. Most of us get confused in writing IUPAC names and formula of organic as well as inorganic compounds. The compounds names like sulfite, sulfate, sulfide confuse us a lot. But after watching this video, I assure you there will be no confusion. So today I'm taking the topic how to write down the names of inorganic chemical compounds. So let's start the video. Ionic compounds. Now what are ionic compounds? Of course, ionic compound you know which contain cations and anion. And I think you are very much sure about what are cations and anions. Cations positively charged, anions negatively charged. But I have written one another word with it. Cations are also known as basic radicals and anions are acid radicals. Maybe some of you are aware, but some of you may not be. Let's For example, we have sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. Now, when we combine it together, you know we will get sodium chloride plus water. If I check this sodium chloride, in this, sodium is containing plus 1 and it is coming from a base, sodium hydroxide base, alkali. So what is a basic radical? It is a cation because it is coming from a base. And chloride, HCl, it is responsible for giving this chlorine having negative -1, that is chloride. That's why it is named as acid radicals. So I think you are very much sure cations are basic radicals and anions are acid radicals. Now let's continue. Monoatomic, mono, single atom, which consists of just single atom. Monoatomic cations and monoatomic anions. Now, monoatomic cations means cations having one atom. For example, sodium 1 plus, magnesium just one atom, magnesium ion, aluminium Al 3 plus. And when I talk about monoatomic anions, it is element root plus ide always. Like I want to tell you how to write. You better you keep on writing on your notes copy along with me. Cl1 negative. What is the root? Chloro coming from chlorine. Ide. So it is chloride. Sulfur 2 negative. What is elemental root? Sulfur. It is sulfide. O 2 negative. Root is oxide ion. Of course, we use the word oxide ion. Hopefully, you are liking the video. So please watch the video till the end so that there is no confusion to you. Polyatomic ions. The ions poly means more than one atom by combination of two or more than two atoms. Like if we talk about cations, I'm having ammonium ion. This is ammonium ion. Ammonium is only one ion which is composed of two non-metals, but still it is cation. Then if I talk about H3O plus, same hydronium ion. Here is also the word ion is there. Similarly, Hg2 plus, it is mercury. You have, if I just write like this, it is mercuric. And if I write like this, as I have written earlier, it is mercurous. OUS stand for lower oxidation state, lower charge, and IC is for higher oxidation state. higher oxidation state. If you don't know the oxidation state, please comment. I'll just make another video on the oxidation state. And if you are liking the video, or it seems that the things are becoming simple for you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you will get notification for next videos also. So here, each mercury has +1 mercurous. Anions, polyatomic anion. When I talk about anions, I'm taking first only one example. SO4 2 negative, it is sulfate. And SO3 2 negative, it is, just check. I'm not going to confuse you. I'm going to clear your confusions. Sulfide ion. So here, if I predict what is oxidation state on this sulfur, it is +6. And here, this sulfur is having oxidation state +4. So that's why I was telling you, 8 word is for higher oxidation state. When the element is showing variable oxidation state, and it is for lower oxidation state. It is oxidation state or oxidation number. Now, here I have clubbed few commonly used anions which we generally use. So this is a compiled, you can just make a screenshot of it or you can note down according to your comfort. But we have to learn it, like it is cyanide, it is isocyanide. Just give a look here. Here also, nitrite, nitrate. Wherever confusions are there, I have compiled, I have just clubbed them together, sulfite and sulfate. Here also, here nitrogen is having +3, so it is nitrite. Here nitrogen is +5, it is nitrate. So similarly, you have to learn the example, like this is perchlorate. I'll just, in another video, I'll just share with you why the word is per is there. But here the oxidation state is +7, it is +5, it is +3, it is +1. So due to the various oxidation states, their names are different. So these are the main ions. So that when we have to write down the formula, we should know the name and their symbols along with charges. Now let's see how to write formula of ionic compounds. Now you can just give a pause to the previous slide and just, if you have remembered, like in exam, it is there, write down the formula of, the rule is first we write down cation followed by anion. The formula is there, sodium sulfate. Now just check, sodium is +1 and sulfate carry 2 minus. The positive and negative charges should be balanced. So that's why there are 2 sodium, this 2 number. You can cross multiply like this way, and this is +1, Na2SO4, or you can see +2 is balanced by -2. Or you can cross these numbers are crossed. So sulfate is only 1. So it is Na2SO4. Similarly, formula is sodium sulfite. It is not sulfide. I just take example of sulfide also. Sulfide. So it is Na, sodium, cation first, anion afterward, SO3 2 negative. Just check. You can give a pause. Write down the formula. It is check Na2SO3. Another one is, which is normally confusion for us, sulfide. So it is again sodium sulfide, Na plus S2 negative. So Na2S. So that's why, so whenever you write down, you want to write down the formula, the basic rule is in inorganic compound, in ionic compound. It is for ionic only, because in organic, it is something different. First cation, then anion. But you should know the charges should be balanced. Charges should be balanced. Like, I just give you one typical one. Magnesium phosphate. I can't ask you because I'm just making video, but just you give the answer and just check it. Magnesium phosphate. Magnesium, yes. What is answer? 2 plus. Phosphate, PO4 3 negative. The charges should be balanced. So it is Mg 3, 3 to the 6 positive. PO4 whole twice. 2 phosphate means 6 negative. This is the formula. Hopefully you are liking the video. So please do not forget to subscribe and share or give the your positive comments on this video. So binary covalent compounds. Binary means two elements are there. Covalent, not by exchange, by sharing of electrons. So here two non-metals combined together. First element named first and second element named as it was an anion, like CO. First element is carbon. Second element is oxide, but it is mono oxide. Carbon monoxide. So if these are polyvalent covalent compounds, in that case the same is there. First element named first, second element named as it is anion, but in between we will use this prefixes to denote number of atoms. Mono, 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, and so on. So like if this one is compound, it is first element 2 di nitrogen. Pentaoxide. It is di-nitrogen pentaoxide. Now, how to name it? Carbon dioxide. How to name it? The first element, sulfur. How many fluorine? 6. Hexa. Fluoride. So if it is assumed it is anion, it will end with ide, fluoride. So can you write down this name? Yes, it is iodine, heptafluoride. And this mono is not with the first element, it is always with the second element. So what is the name of this PCl5? PCl5 is, it is phosphorus pentachloride. And this we have already done. So it is carbon monoxide. So some special names. So you write down the special names, like this one is ammonia. It is phosphine. This you have to learn. Hydrazine. Hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide I have given you. Peroxide always have a structure like this. And it is hydrogen. So here, if I just tell you that in this table, there is, this one is peroxide. O2, overall 2 negative charges there. So hydrogen peroxide, and this one is water, as you know. So hopefully you like the video and the video is really helpful for you. So thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. So bye bye for till the next video. Take care.